back to another video where today I'm going to be doing a 4th of July video. Yay! So, I'm going to be doing the 4th of July video. You're going to see what I'm going to be doing today on the 4th of July, what I'm eating, what I'm playing, what I'm doing today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video.
No, that's one of those things I always know.
Look, y'all leave this grown man alone and let him hang with this other grown man.
I'm starting my YouTube video. Oh my God, Mommy! How come you
Hey, don't go that far. Stop. Stop.
get close? Gosh! My gosh!
Hey, come back down. Alright, so you ready now? Yeah.
Kind of purple.
Yeah,
But you can't, and orange.
Yeah, it's probably not a person.
My dreams! My dreams have come true! My dreams have come true!
Wow, where's the trust?
I didn't trust you.
Make sure it's okay. Yeah. Go ahead and
Hey guys, so in this part of the video, my dad taped a smoke bomb to the end of my scooter while I drive on it to see how it will look. So I do not suggest doing this. Do not try this at home.
put your feet up. Come back. Whoa, that was cool.
Yeah.
Wait, she's going too far away. I can't really see it.
I think she might blew it out.
She said, "Oh
I
my
think she went
gosh!"
too fast.
Yeah.
Okay, Janae, come back. We miss you. It's hot.
Yeah, it is hot, man. It was pretty cool, but I think maybe
I think you might have went too
you should
fast.
stay in this area so that it doesn't
Go out, because I think it went out because you kind of went kind of fast. Try it again. Try it again. Try again.
Having a daddy is important, you know. Having a daddy is important.
Might I
You do all kinds of things you would not do without a daddy.
Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
No.
Alright guys, now my sister Jamie's trying
We ain't
it.
light it yet. We ain't light it yet. Jamie, we ain't light it yet.
We ain't light it yet.
Come here.
I think you don't want to see this guy in action.
Well, right down here at the end of these couple plants will be great.
These guys are gonna be dead, Roger. And they're gonna turn
I'm
the
not worried.
Roger's not worried about it. He's really not. He's a grown man, y'all.
But why are you breathing so hard?
Yeah, which way is it gonna blow? I'm looking at it. Yeah, it's going back that way. You're gonna have to step aside.
He's sorry, wall silly. Might go over there, Roger. I don't know. The car, look at the car
gonna get scared. Should be alright. It ain't gonna be that bad. Daddy went way down there though. Red. There's the next one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They're cooler at night.
7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go.
Everybody falls for that.
Oh, that's how they're gonna be doing.
Which way you gonna point?
Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. It ain't gonna be that bad. Oh, well, never mind. It ain't gonna be that bad. Oh, well, never mind. Oh, that's got a little fizzle to it.
Fall
No,
on
it ain't
me.
bad at all. It's got the little fizzle to it. I like that.
Where's the rest of it?
It did
Yeah, I was
fail.
about to say, where's the rest of it?
Yes, it did.
Get
It's
the water
only did 3.
hose.
Don't you get down there
Damn.
and touch that
You stay back here.
yet. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what it was green.
Found it landed right in, still making smoke.
Yeah, it is. It's trying to catch the fire on its Look, baby, you just stepped on it.
You didn't step on it. It's hard to keep up.
It's only 5 in each of them? It must be 5.
Woo! Oh look, perfect timing.
This flies.
Yeah, this flies.
Back up.
Back up.
Oh, that one didn't take off because it ran into the side of the
Wait.
yard.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a special show for you. I now present to you Roger Keys singing "Do You Want to Build a Snowman?"
Okay,
Go away, build a snowman. Or ride our bikes around the halls. I think the company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls. Hey, get there, Johnny. It's a little lonely. Always
It's
empty.
Joan.
Just watching the hours tick by. Boom, bop, boom, bop, boom, bop, boom, bop.
Boop, bop, boop, bop.
Please don't know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say have courage. I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman? Do you wanna build a snowman?
Do do
Yeah.
do 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 do.
Alright.
Do you think that's copyright?
Yeah, 'cause it was pretty spot on.
Well, be honest, I think if we sing it ourselves,
The next
it's okay.
act has started. He's going to be singing "Let It Go" from Chris.
Isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. Wait, let me rap it.
Oh yeah! Oh, let's go!
I just howling like the storms one side. Couldn't keep it in, guys know I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always had to be. Concealed, don't feel it, don't let them know. Well, let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're gonna say.
Jason, stop. We are beat.
On. The cold doesn't bother me.
Anyway. Go to the next page.
Okay, the beat got off. The beat got off.
Beat been off.
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and that feeling that once control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do, to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, the rules for me. Hey, guess what? I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. 'Cause here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on. My power flurries through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling, frozen fragments all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go. Let it go. And I'll raise like the break of dawn. Let it go. Let it go. That hurt girl is gone. Stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. Yeah.
Ow! My hand! And that is your rapping from Trey Swami. Jason, are you okay? Your head okay? I don't think he's okay. Well, bravo, Trey Swami. I'll put some clapping noises in the video.
Wait, what? Video? This ain't going online.
Yes.
Good kid. What's that? I'm right behind you and I don't have my kid on.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, kids. Don't try this at home.
Okay. What's he doing?
Just stay back here and watch. I also have something to show you.
We probably should. Whoa. That's awesome.
Me and Janae go next.
Oh, me and Jason are going inside now.
Okay.
Just kidding. April Fools.
Check my. Yeah. Get down. Hoops. Hoops. Do the finger thing on camera. Do.
This?
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Never seen it in real life.
Got a U-Haul to carry all they got.
Anyways, I'm just letting you be closer.
We're gonna get an idiot when we are gonna turn the water on for that.
Yeah, I was about to say, you never know, 180 of those. I can't count that fast.
Try to feel it and go fast.
That was 280. 180.
Alright guys, so if you want to see bigger and better fireworks, then I suggest you go to part 2 of this video, because I couldn't fit all into one video, so I decided to split into 2 parts. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. I'll see you in part 2. Bye!